How to change a PowerPoint theme and its variant. Hi everyone, Deborah here, and I'm going to just show you very quickly how to change the theme and its variants in the design of a PowerPoint slideshow. So on my screen right now, I have a PowerPoint slideshow that's been completed. Okay, it's got, let's see, 6 slides in it, and right now we're looking at the title slide. Okay. Now, obviously it has a color scheme. It's sort of a buff yellowish warm color. And but let's say that I wanted to change that. So what you would do is on the ribbon, of course the ribbon is this whole huge piece going across the top of the screen. On the ribbon you're going to look for the Design tab, which is here. So you click Design and you'll see two main groups of tools or features. You'll see the themes group on the left, and then you'll see the variants group on the right. So what we have right now is a current theme, and it's always going to be in the left hand side here in the themes group. And if you hover your mouse over it, it'll tell you what the name of the theme is that you're currently using on your slideshow. This one's called Berlin, and it's used by all the slides. Well, let's say that I want to keep the style, I want to keep the Berlin slideshow theme, but I want to change the color variant of it. So what you see over here in this variants group is just various looks, different kinds of color scheme looks that work with Berlin. Okay, so it is still the Berlin theme, but the variants, all they do is just change the tones, colors, and what that design looks like in the end. So what you can do is you can click this little button right here. It's called the More button, and it will open up more of whatever the gallery is that you're looking at here. So I'm going to click that, and it offers me colors here. So if I roll the mouse over onto the colors, I get this huge palette of color combinations that I can test out just by hovering over each one. So if I see one I like, I can hover over it and see what it would look like with this particular theme, the Berlin theme. Okay, some colors work better than others. It depends on, of course, the kind of theme that you're interested in doing or the kind of feeling that you're interested in having. So if you want, you can choose one of these colors, or you can choose one of these variants, which includes more than one color. Of course, it includes a whole color scheme that can go with it. So I'm just going to pick one at random. And now when I did that, notice that it changed all of the slides. Okay, on the left hand side, these are the thumbnails that show small pictures of all the slides in the slideshow, and it changed all of them automatically, so I don't have to go through and click each one. Also, on the right hand side, the design ideas pane became displayed, and you can use this or not. I mean, it's nice to see it as suggestions of what you might do with this theme. You can close it very easily by just clicking this X here if you don't want to use it. But that's what the themes and the variants are. Variants are of one theme, and the themes are very large, very encompassing. They include all kinds of different color changes, font changes, and other things. So let me get back to the design tab. So let's say I do want to change my theme. I can pick one of the ones in the gallery here, and I can test them out, see what they look like just by hovering the mouse over each one. Or I can click the More button to see more possible choices in the gallery of themes. So if I see one that I like, I can just grab it, click on it, and I notice that this picture is one that's sort of layered on top of the theme, and if I want, I can get rid of it, or I can do something different with it, but I don't want anything to get in the way of the the main title, of course. You don't want your title to be hidden. So whatever theme or variant of that theme you choose, make sure that people can read your title clearly from the back of the room. And when you're done, of course, you need to save your work. Of course, you can do that up here, clicking the Save button. So if you have any questions about themes or variants, please let me know. Otherwise, I'm sure you can find lots of information about this in your textbook.